Think the 2026 Mazda CX-6e is impressive stock? Wait until you see what happens when you unlock its full potential. These mods completely transform it from a clean daily driver into something seriously next level. Welcome back to Supercar. Today, we're diving into 7 game-changing upgrades that push the CX-6e beyond factory limits, from performance to design and cutting-edge tech. If you thought stock was enough, think again. And don't forget to subscribe for the wildest builds and latest mods every week. What if I told you that making your SUV look incredibly aggressive could actually increase your driving range? Number 1. Full Aerodynamic Dry Carbon Fiber Body Kit. The first modification on our list is the Full Aerodynamic Dry Carbon Fiber Body Kit. When Mazda designed the CX-6e, they focused heavily on Kodo design, smooth flowing lines meant to maximize efficiency. However, aftermarket designers have taken that philosophy and cranked it up to 11. This isn't about slapping on a massive obnoxious wing and calling it a day. We're talking about wind tunnel-tested front splitters, extended side skirts, and a rear diffuser made entirely from ultra-lightweight dry carbon fiber. Because the CX-6e is an EV, it relies heavily on aero efficiency to maximize battery life. This kit is specifically engineered to reduce turbulent air underneath the chassis while providing functional downforce at highway speeds. You get that menacing, track-ready stance that turns heads at every light without sacrificing a single mile of range. In fact, some early track testers are reporting a slight increase in highway efficiency due to the improved drag coefficient. It is the absolute perfect blend of aggressive form and undeniable function. Have you ever wanted the slammed stance of a track car but the plush ride of a luxury SUV at the push of a button? Number 2. Plug-and-Play Adaptive Air Suspension Controller. Coming in at number 2 is the Plug-and-Play Adaptive Air Suspension Controller. The factory suspension on the 2026 CX-6e is already fantastic, offering a great balance of comfort and sportiness. However, for those who want total control, this aftermarket module is a game-changer. It intercepts the factory signals and gives you unrestricted mastery over your ride height and dampening stiffness. Through a sleek smartphone app, you can Media Group smartphone app controlling car features, person using phone near SUV, lowering to ground at car show, modern SUV on display with lowered stance, stock, distribute, and start equally, air out and slam the car to the ground for car shows, raise it up to clear steep driveways or snow, or set a dynamic mode. This mode automatically lowers the chassis by an inch when you surpass 60 miles per hour, allowing the SUV to cut through the air with less resistance. By lowering the center of gravity of that heavy battery pack, this modification makes this spacious SUV corner like a lightweight sports sedan. You can have all the torque in the world, but it means nothing if you can't put it to the pavement. Number 3. High-performance EV tire and lightweight forged wheel package. Our third game-changing mod is a dedicated high-performance EV tire and lightweight forged wheel package. Electric vehicles like the CX-6e produce massive amounts of instant torque the millisecond you touch the pedal. This can easily overwhelm standard eco-focused factory tires, leading to wheel spin and lost performance. By upgrading to ultra-lightweight forged aluminum wheels, you drastically reduce the unsprung mass at each corner. This allows the suspension to react significantly faster to road imperfections, and the motors don't have to work as hard to get the wheels spinning. When you wrap those custom wheels in sticky EV-specific performance tires, the difference is night and day. These specialized tires feature reinforced sidewalls to handle the battery pack's weight, giving you razor-sharp steering, mind-bending cornering grip, and vastly shorter braking distances. What if you could make your silent electric SUV feel exactly like a manual sports car when you lift off the throttle? Number 4 is something truly unique to the EV tuning world, a custom regenerative braking calibration module. Out of the box, the CX-6e has a very smooth, predictable regenerative system designed for the average consumer. But for true driving enthusiasts, it can feel a bit disconnected. This module plugs directly into the OBD port and allows you to remap how the motors drag when you let off the accelerator. You can set a track mode that mimics the heavy engine braking of a high-compression gasoline engine. This allows for true, aggressive one-pedal driving on twisty mountain roads. It shifts the weight of the car forward instantly the moment you lift your foot, setting you up perfectly for tight corners without ever having to touch the physical brake pedal. It makes the driving experience incredibly engaging and honestly, surprisingly, mechanical. Imagine stepping into your car and having the entire cabin instantly adapt to your exact mood and the music you're playing. Halfway through our list at number 5, we're moving inside the cabin with the dynamic ambient lighting and smart glass tint upgrade. The 2026 CX-6e already boasts a premium interior, but this modification pushes it into concept car territory. The smart glass film is applied to your existing windows and the massive panoramic sunroof. Connected to the car's central computer, it can transition from 100% transparent to pitch-black limo tint in just a fraction of a second. Pair this with a multi-zone fiber optic ambient lighting system that replaces the factory trim pieces. This system pulses and changes color based on your driving mode, speed, or even the beat of your music. It creates an immersive, futuristic atmosphere that makes every night drive feel like you're piloting a spaceship through a cyberpunk city. Are you tired of your electric vehicle losing its punch and slowing down after just a few hard pulls on the highway? Coming in at number 6 is a serious performance upgrade, the upgraded thermal management system. One of the biggest secrets in the EV world is thermal derating. When you drive hard, the battery and motors generate massive heat. To protect itself, the car's computer automatically reduces power output. This aftermarket cooling system utilizes a larger high-efficiency front radiator, upgraded coolant lines, and a high-flow water pump to keep components at their optimal temperature even under extreme stress. Whether you are doing back-to-back quarter-mile runs or carving up a canyon on a blistering summer day, this mod ensures you have 100% of your horsepower available, 100% of the time. It is the ultimate reliability mod for the driver who refuses to compromise. What if unlocking supercar-level acceleration was as simple as plugging a laptop into your dashboard? Finally, the most game-changing modification for the 2026 Mazda CX-6e is the dual-motor VCU flash tune. Just like traditional gas cars have ECUs that can be remapped for more boost, modern EVs have VCUs that limit how much electrical current is sent to the motors. Aftermarket tuners have finally cracked the encryption on the 2026 CX-6e, allowing them to safely increase power limits. This software flash optimizes the torque delivery curve, sending a massive sustained surge of extra current to both motors. We are talking about shaving a full second off your 0 to 60 miles per hour time, transforming this practical family SUV into an absolute rocket ship that will embarrass high-dollar sports cars at the stoplight. It is the single most cost-effective way to revolutionize how your Mazda performs. So, which of these upgrades would you choose first? The aftermarket scene for EVs is growing fast, and the 2026 Mazda CX-6e is already proving to be an exciting platform for both performance and style. Let me know your favorite mod in the comments. See your build ideas. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe to Supercar, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.